We hear all the time about AI doing these incredible, massive things, writing code, composing symphonies, analyzing huge data sets. But what about the small stuff? The tedious, everyday tasks that actually make up most of our jobs? Well, that's where things get really interesting. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today with a concept from Anthropic called agent skills.
So, think about it. We've all seen AI do some truly mind-blowing things. But when it comes to the not-so-glamorous but absolutely critical tasks, like navigating some clunky internal software, or following a 10-step approval process, or even just correctly filling out a standard PDF form without messing it up, that's where the rubber meets the road. These are the little processes that actually run our businesses.
And that really gets to the heart of the problem. A super smart generalist AI is kind of like a brilliant new hire walking in on their first day. They're incredibly bright, but they don't automatically know your company's specific way of doing things, or where to find that one specific file. To be genuinely useful, they need that specialized procedural knowledge.
So this brings us to what we can call the smart generalist problem. We've got these incredibly powerful models, right? But the real challenge is figuring out how to give them the specific niche expertise they need to actually get things done in a structured, repeatable way.
Models like Claude are definitely powerful enough, but their knowledge is a mile wide. To do a specific job function, they need a way to tap into domain-specific expertise that's, composable, so you can mix and match skills, scalable, so it can handle really complex stuff, and portable, so you can use it across different applications.
So, how do we fix this? Well, Anthropic came up with a really elegant solution they call agent skills. And honestly, the best way to think about it is this. You're not just activating an AI, you're onboarding it. And just like any new hire, it's going to need a pretty good onboarding guide.
And this quote from Anthropic just nails it. You'd never expect a new team member to just magically know how to process an expense report your way. No way. You'd give them a guide, maybe some templates, probably a checklist. That is exactly what a skill does for an AI agent. It's packaging up all that procedural know-how into a format the AI can find and use.
So here's the more formal definition. An agent skill is basically just a neatly organized folder. Inside, you've got your instructions, maybe some code scripts, and any other resources the agent might need. But the magic words here are discover and load dynamically. This means the AI isn't getting bogged down with everything at once. It just finds and uses exactly what it needs right when it needs it.
And this whole dynamic loading idea brings us to the core design principle that makes agent skills so incredibly efficient and scalable.
It's a concept called progressive disclosure. So instead of dropping a 500-page employee handbook onto the AI's